Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to list all installed printers on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just go ahead and left click on the Start button one time. Type in printers, and best match should come back for printers and scanners in the search results. Go ahead and left click on that option one time. Now on the right side here should be a list of all the printers and scanners that are installed on your computer. Don't be concerned if you see some strange ones like Microsoft Print to PDF or OneNote. Microsoft will just install some automatic printer drivers on your computer when you first set it up. It doesn't mean you're all using all of these or you actually had any impact in actually putting them on your computer, just that they are more than likely here by default. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.